Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to my trading YouTube channel, Market Dialogue. If you're curious about trading or you've tried to beat the markets, this is the channel you need to watch. Let's begin at the root. What is trading? It is the act of buying and selling financial instruments like stocks, currencies, commodities, or derivatives with the sole aim of making a profit. It all started centuries ago. The Amsterdam Stock Exchange launched way back in 1602, followed by markets like London and New York. Since then, trading has evolved with technology, which has the ability to impact the economy of a country, is now accessible to anyone with a mobile phone. You might wonder, how does trading influence an entire economy? Trading adds massive liquidity to financial markets, allows companies to raise capital for expansion, and lets investors participate in a country's growth story. However, wild or speculative trading can sometimes trigger volatility, even a crisis, impacting jobs and industries across the economy. So, when it is available to everyone, why do most fail? Why it's not for everyone? Here's the catch: trading isn't everyone's cup of tea. Statistics are brutal. Nearly 90% of retail traders lose money over time. Only about 10% manage to survive, and an even smaller fraction thrives long term. So, if you're looking for an easy way out or quick money, trading might not be for you. Honestly, if you want guaranteed results and dislike uncertainty, it's better to close this video and focus your energy elsewhere. That's the hard truth. At the same time, who thrives in trading? It is one of the toughest jobs in the world, tougher than rocket science or open heart surgery, because here the enemy is your own psychology. Those who succeed have discipline, patience, and adaptability. If that excites you, then let's continue. Moving forward, why most retail traders lose? Let's talk about indicators and patterns. Have you ever wondered why there's a flood of free tools online, each claiming to unlock profits? If these tools worked, wouldn't everyone be rich? The harsh reality that we, as a market dialogue team, assume is these free indicators are often designed to manipulate the masses, helping big players, smart money, feed off smaller retail traders. Most of these strategies look good on paper, but fail miserably in real trades. Let me explain further with a live example how smart money profits from retailers. Whenever retail traders enter a popular buying zone, their collective stop losses are clustered just below that zone. The smart money, hedge funds, and institutional players can see these clusters. Smart money already has the expertise and resources to track down the cluster of stop losses. They push the price down briefly, triggering retail stop losses and buying those positions at a discount. The losing retail traders exit in panic, while the smart money enjoys the rebound. So, the common man's entry price often becomes the rich man's exit, and the provider of liquidity is the one who loses. Thus, the statistics emphasize on rich get richer, poor get poorer. Statistics don't lie. The top 1% of traders control over 80% of the wealth because they understand market psychology, price action, and institutional flow. Most retail traders keep chasing easy profits, only to end up as fuel for the professionals. The famous saying, "In trading, money flows from the impatient to the patient," is very real. In all these circumstances, can retail traders ever win? Is there any hope for retailers to win consistently? Yes, but only with the right approach. Forget about magic indicators, secret patterns, or the latest news flash. Institutions can manipulate all that. But there's one thing nobody can manipulate: price itself. Stop chasing the crowd, imagine them as a school of fish. Instead, hug the belly of the big sharks. Blend in with institutional flow and study pure price action. That's the only method proven to work over the long run. Why price action is king? Why trust price action? Because price is the total of every force, news, sentiment, manipulation, and truly valuable information. If you can read the footprints left by smart money, you'll stop getting tricked by the breadcrumbs distributed to unsuspecting retailers. Stop losses of retailers are literally profits for institutions. A retailer's entry, without proper analysis, often becomes a signal for big players to do the opposite. Follow price, not noise. What this channel offers. On this channel, I will teach you how to read price action, not just indicators, how to follow the smart money, not the crowd, real statistics, live examples, and honest warnings. The discipline needed to turn a trading account into long-lasting wealth. With that note, I would like to give away my weekly video schedule. Now, here's something truly special for our channel community. Every Thursday at 9 p.m., tune in for a 16-minute session focused on the NSE National Stock Exchange. The first 8 minutes break down what happened on NSE charts over the past week, highlighting the real trade setups the community observed and the lessons they offer. The next 8 minutes of the same video will share potential trade setups for the week ahead, giving you actionable insights you can prep for. But that's not all. On the following Thursday, we'll revisit those trade calls to see what worked and what didn't, learning together from both the wins and the misses. To round out the week, every Friday night, 16-minute deep dive into crypto market opportunities and upcoming trade setups. Every Saturday, 16 minutes focusing on Forex charts and trades. Every Sunday, an 8-minute educational video where we'll explore key trading concepts, strategies, and psychology that don't include patterns and indicators. Our main motto is to help every member of this channel grow smarter and more disciplined. No matter your market, be stocks, crypto, or Forex, you'll get consistent, community-driven insights and unbiased education every single week. If you're ready to stop searching for shortcuts and finally learn what works from first principles, subscribe now. Let's build a community of disciplined, knowledgeable traders where retailers can build the potential to become winners in the long run. Drop a comment sharing your own trading journey, mistakes, or burning questions. Let's learn together.